Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today, I'm reviewing my Nerf fort, or rival fort. So, here is my rival shotgun. I forgot the name. The Chaos, the Apollo, and there's some mags. There's a thing with bullets and mags. This is my hideout too. So here's my cubes. Some of that. And some of let me show you some of that. And then there's some games, books, which hats, baseball cards. So leave a comment in the description if I should add more stuff to my closet, if this is good. Goodbye.